In this video, we'll go over DOGELON MARS. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is DOGELON MARS? DOGELON MARS is a dog-themed meme coin on Ethereum and Polygon. It follows the example of other successful dog coins like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki Inu. DOGELON MARS plays on several popular themes in the meme coin space. Its name is a mixture of Dogecoin and Elon Musk, the billionaire entrepreneur who is an outspoken supporter of Doge. It alludes to Mars, a spin on the famous moon meme, implying that DOGELON will experience a massive upward movement. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. DOGELON MARS uses a humorous comic story of DOGELON, the dog giving the coin its name, as a background for its coin. DOGELON explores the greatest mysteries of the galaxy and seeks to recolonize the planet he once called home, with the help of the friends he's made during his travels through the stars. Several short comics are published on the coin's website that follow DOGELON on his adventures to Mars, where he meets friends and goes on adventures. DOGELON MARS does not have a roadmap per se, but instead developed a fantasy version through its comics. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, DOGELON will have to fight for survival against the Annihilators. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see its market cap hitting $1 billion by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.